Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Office version and system updates so the patch will apply cleanly. Once done, back up important files and close all Office programs to prevent conflicts. Next, open an Office app and navigate to File, then Help or Account. This is where Update controls live. You're doing this to ensure the updater finds a consistent environment and to avoid data loss during restart or repair, so don't skip these checks. You click Update Options and choose Update Now to fetch patches. This triggers the built-in updater to download the latest service packs and security fixes. While it runs, watch for prompts that request permission or close files. Grant admin rights if asked. The installer may show progress and require a short wait. Use that time to prepare for a restart. Make sure to reopen an Office app afterward to verify the updated version number and that core features load without errors. Once installation finishes, confirm success by checking the version in File, Account. You should see the new build number. If an Office app misbehaves, run Quick Repair or Online Repair from Programs and Features to fix missing components. Should updates repeatedly fail, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and re-attempt the update. Make sure to re-enable protection after. If that still fails, note the error code and search Microsoft support. Knowing the code speeds resolution and prevents repeated failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.